Hi guys! So I'm going to be unboxing some stuff that I received from Amazon and also some stuff that I received from BH Cosmetics. I'm super excited. I'm still in my work clothes. I just got off of work. And for the first thing that we have is also by Beauty Glazed. It's called the Glitter Bar. It's 6 color sequence. So this is the packaging. And it's the packaging. It's the front of it. Oh wow. Yes. It's pretty. Let's try out the stars. So that is that. Then I have also from Amazon the Profusion Contour Palette. Oh my god, guys, it comes with 3 brushes. Not 1, not 2, but 3. 3 different brushes. Can you guys see that? And it also comes with a mirror. It's pretty. And the next thing that I have from Amazon is also Profusion. I'm like really into Profusion right now. So far, everything that I've tried from Profusion is just great. I love it. So it's the Strobe and Glow. Strobe and Glow palette. It's pretty. It's so pretty. I just ripped the plastic. Yeah, so it comes with a little brush right here. Let's try one out. I'm gonna try out Jolly. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. It's this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So then, for my BH Cosmetics, the first thing I have is BH Studio Pro. It's a waterproof eye primer. This was free. This was free because I purchased the Take Me Back to Brazil. It's cute. It's really small. It's tiny. So can't wait to try it out. I hear mixed things about eye primers. I hear like eye primers are good, but then I also hear that concealer is better. I have no idea. I've been using concealer and I mean, I kind of like it. Okay, so here is the Take Me Back to Brazil. It's 35 colors. Oh my god. It's pretty. It's very pretty. Then I have the new, I cannot say this name. I'm gonna call it the Neutrals. It's a 26 color shadow and blush palette. It's from BH Cosmetics. Oh, I like the white palette, the white of it. And it's light too. Oh, these are beautiful. These are beautiful. Oh, I almost dropped this too. Yeah, these are pretty. I think this one, this color right here, it's like one of my favorite colors. So I'm super excited to try that out. And I have, oh, these were free. This was a free gift. I believe it was free because I had an order over, I think it was either 25 or 35. I think it was 35. But it's a 5-piece liquid linen. They come in a bag. Royal Affair. Oh wow, the bag is cute. Oh, and it turns. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, yeah, there we go. And it turns silver. Pretty cool. And it comes with a little furry thing. Oh wow. So these are 5 liquid linen from BH Cosmetics. Pretty. Bag smells good. I love smelling stuff. I know it might be a little bit weird, but I love smelling stuff. Then I also purchased these. It's a mini brush set. It's Mini Pink Perfection 6-piece brush set. I don't know how small they are. I mean, it does say mini pink, so. Oh, it comes in a bag. Yeah, it's cute. It's a little bag. Okay, so these are the brushes. The brushes that come in it. The 2 bigger ones are like they have like they're different colored pinks. Let me see this one. Oh my god, guys, they're so soft. Look at that. Oh my god. They're so soft. I'm excited. I just want to scream. And then there's just a bunch of like little brochure type things. There's a sample in here for their liquid foundation. They have 24 shades for this BH liquid foundation, Naturally Flawless. And the sample is 212 Light Olive. So I'm not sure if that's going to be my color, but it's just a free sample to try out. That palette looks beautiful. And then the last thing we have in here is they have a travel series. They have travel series. I might have to try one of them out. Okay, the name of the travel series that they have is Discover London, Hawaii, and Bali. So it's pretty cool. Alrighty. So that is everything from my Amazon order and my BH Cosmetics order. Super excited to try this stuff out, and I will let you guys know what I think of it. Okay, thanks for watching.